Hello there, welcome into this new video. In today's tutorial, let's take a look how we can use the Chat GPT for beginners. If you actually don't have any idea of how this app works or what it is, you don't have to be worrying about that because I'm going to be showing you what we can do with this great application. Now, first of all, guys, the Chat GPT, this one is a trained model of the OpenAI. So the API, it's like an artificial intelligence here that is going to be helping us to let's say have more advanced tools for being creative and a natural language codes, creating some codecs, some tasks, create images and all that. So what they do have here into the OpenAI is different stuff. For example, DALL-E. If you want to check it out, we do have that into our channel. Those are things that can be generated with just a description. But so far, I mean, the latest thing that it was released so far is the Chat GPT. So the Chat GPT is actually like the new generation of Google. So this is like a conversation between the person, between the human and the computer. So what do we have this? Because we can ask the same, we can ask whatever you want to into the Chat GPT, and you can even get a few description ideas that can be helping you to solve some problems, some issues. So that's how you're going to get started. You want to create your account totally for free, so you can start working here into the Chat GPT. Now, I should tell you guys that you don't need to pay absolutely for anything. So once you go into the try Chat GPT, it's going to be asking you to create an account or to log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to be seeing something like this. So here I do have some examples, I do have some capabilities, and I do have some limitations. Speaking about the capabilities, is what can we expect from the Chat GPT? This one remembers what users said earlier in the conversation, allows users to provide follow-up corrections, and train it to decline inappropriate requests. So if you're trying to ask this Chat GPT something like, I am attempting to kill someone, I am attempting to run into a bank or into someone else's house, I'm pretty sure that this won't be really helpful for you. And I must tell you that all of this, everything that you ask to the Chat GPT is going to be recorded. I'm not going to be recorded, but it's going to be appearing into your history chat of the Chat GPT. So you might want to be really careful for what you asked into the Chat GPT. So with that being said, specifically about remember what users said earlier in the conversation. Let's say that I need some I need an example, or bring me some examples or templates for a resume, or how to create a resume. So here are a few examples of resume templates to get started. The chronological resume, this is the most common type of resumes. List your work experience, your risk, chronological order, and we do have like all the information about what's happening here. The functional resume, the type of resume focuses on your skill and abilities. The combination resume, the type of resume combines the base of both chronological and functional formats. So if I want to look for something like a specific, I can do that. But here actually what is showing me is the chronological example of a resume. So your name, your address, your city, phone, your email, the objective, the summary, the work experience. And I just need to copy and paste this template and I can use that as my own. The education, the skills, man, this is too insane. This is too good to be true. Here's an example of a functional resume. I think I'm going to stop in here because I'm just going to get a collapse here. And I'm going to try to ask something else. If you think that this is just over, this hasn't even begun. So let's say you have like a birthday party for your dad, and your dad is like 50 years old. So let's say that you need 10 topic ideas for a 15 birthday party. Here are like an ideas: a black and white ball with guests encouraged come dressed in their finest black and white attire, a what 1950s theme party, a tropical themed party, a garden party, a murder mystery party. This is so good to be true, guys. A casino night, a karaoke party, a dentist party, a wine and cheese testing party, a nostalgic party with decorations and activity from the birthday person's childhood. I've never seen those things before. So even myself, I haven't even think of those things like a birthday party, a nostalgic party with decorations and activity from the birthday person childhood. Or let's say that I need 10 creative activities for a Christmas party. I'm gonna hit into enter, and of course one of them will be like some exchange of some things that people just brought presents or whatever. But let's see what does the chat of GPT has to offer to us. Alright, a holiday movie marathon with guests invited to watch their favorite Christmas film together. A cookie decoration station where guests can decorate cookies with icing and sprinkles. A hot cocoa bar with guests can costume to hot cocoa with a variety of toppings and flavors. A holiday card making station, a gingerbread house, a Christmas carol sing along, a gift wrapping station, a DIY ornament making station with what does it say here? Where guests can create their own unique ornaments to take home, and a holiday trivia game where guests can test their knowledge of Christmas facts and traditions. So I think like this is great. If you want to look for more, let's say to the application, can you make this list? Can you make this list longer? Let's say if the chat can actually do that. So most of the time, it appears that the application can really help us to solve absolutely almost any kind of themes. But sometimes there would be appearing something like an error network, sometimes it would be something like this wasn't even worthy, or there was like a bug into the website. So you don't have to be worrying about that. You just need to try to reload the page and try this once again. Now here into the what can we make this list longer. These are a few more ideas: a holiday themed boot book, a white elephant gift exchange, where guests can exchange funny or unique gifts with each other. And let's say this one, a Christmas movie trivia game. This was like something related into this one, but those are the ideas. Those are the way that we can take advantage of the Chat GPT, and you can almost ask anything. So I need help with the description template of a Nintendo Switch for sale. Let's get into enter and let's see if the chat can do something related with what I just asked a few seconds ago. Let's see. So I don't know if I explained myself a lot, but I just asked the application to help me to input a description, a correct description, because I am selling a Nintendo Switch. So I want to input a template for description. So it says, looking to sell my Nintendo Switch. It is in excellent condition and comes with the original box and all accessories, including the dock. Blah blah blah. The Switch has been well maintained. It is a great device for playing a wide variety of games. Both at home on the go. Asking price is negotiable. Contact me if you're interested. This is just really good to be true, guys. I mean, I don't need nothing else. I just need to copy and paste and do whatever I want to do in the description. So that's a way we can take advantage of the Chat GPT. Hopefully this was very useful video for you. I know that this will be really useful for you. So once again, you do have the link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one.